Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. Well, for my first experimental horror film, I'm going to need some props. And I have found some props, and some props also for my second experimental horror film. I've looked around in the Philippines. There are some artists who can craft some of these in the Philippine Islands. And unfortunately, there are some that are going to be not in the Philippines. And rather in the United States is when I'm going to have to purchase some there. And they do look amazing for the horror films. So, just because you're in one area or in one country doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to get what you want. You're going to get them in different parts of the world. So, for independent, experimental, low-budget, no-budget filmmakers, always keep this in mind. All right? Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to the YouTube channel. Join our barter, buy, and sell Morbid Team Entertainment group. And put a like on the Morbid Team Entertainment page. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.